How to add a link on TikTok bio. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from The Solution Guy. In this guide video, I will simply show you the way on how you could very easily actually add a link to your TikTok bio. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first things first, what you want to do is simply make sure you have either downloaded or updated the TikTok app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your app store, in your search box typing in TikTok. Go ahead and simply either download or update the TikTok app. Once you've updated the TikTok app, now I'm basically going to go over and then open it. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. After you're logged in, you can see this is how the interface is going to look like. The very first thing, of course, we're going to do is we're simply going to come to our profile page. As we come to our profile page, you have to understand generally there are two types of links. The first thing is a clickable link. For example, if you add a link to your bio, it is going to be highlighted in blue, and when someone clicks on it, it's basically going to open up in a new tab. But for that, you would actually need to have over 1,000 followers, because if you do not have over 1,000 followers, you will not be able to enable that option. Instead, if you do not also have a 1,000 follower threshold, then in that case you can also add a link to your bio, but the only difference being is that it is not going to be clickable, because people who visit and then tap on that particular link will not actually be able to select and then open up in a new tab unless they go ahead and copy all of the link itself and then paste them manually. So in order to do this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to basically tap on the edit profile button. And to tap on edit profile button, to add a clickable link, you need over 1,000 followers. And if you have over 1,000 followers, what you have to do is over here you'll find and enable the option called website. So right under bio or username or above the socials tab, you'll enable another option which says website, and you have to simply actually paste your link within that website box in order to save it and make a clickable link. If you do not have over 1,000 followers, you will not enable that option. So instead, what you could do is you could basically tap on the bio button, and instead of your bio or after your bio, you could go ahead and paste the link. In this case, you can actually paste the link over here, and then when you tap on save, it is going to come back to your bio, but then it is not actually going to be clickable. That is the only difference over here. Hopefully this video gave you some insights about how the clickable and unclickable link works, as well as how you can add a link to your TikTok bio. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.